What are you doing? Left. Oh, Lefty.
Hi everybody. I wanted to go over what happened to us on a trip. If any of you have been in the Parker Quartzsite area, you're going to recognize this drive right here. This is headed south out of Parker back down to Quartzsite. This video right here is shot with my new dash cam. It's a King Slim D2. It's actually produced by Akaso, and Akaso is who makes my cameras that I use for all my video shooting. This is an awesome dash cam. It actually comes with a second backup camera that you can put on the back, so if you're in the market for a dash cam, I'd recommend taking a look at the King Slim D2 to see if it'll fit your needs. So when you turn south here on 95 and you're headed up a grade, this is maybe a 4-5% grade, doesn't really show in the video, and as you're headed up it opens up into 2 lanes, and I always move into the right lane. Even though I'm getting up to speed here, I always move into the right lane because there are some folks that like to go pretty fast down this road. Speed limit's 65, so I'm probably doing about 60 here as I'm coming up the hill, and I'm always watching in my side view to allow people to get in front of me for the rest of this Route 95 drive. It's just a flat straight drive, and some people like to go real fast, and I go the speed limit. So I'm watching in my side view. Unfortunately, I didn't have my dash cam plugged in when the actual incident took place, but I shot this on our next trip. So right up here, there's the sign. It's going to fade into 1 lane, and here it starts merging into 1 lane. And then you'll see on the left side here where they have double yellow. This is like a no drive median here as they push you down into 1 lane right there. And this right about here is where a guy came flying past me at about 100. He came up so fast that I didn't even see him in my side view mirror. He went blowing by me here and threw up a bunch of stones because that median is a no drive area, and he threw a rock that went straight up into the windshield and put a big chip and a little spider crack into the windshield. And so this windshield I had just had put in the truck when I bought the truck, so it's a new windshield. So I had to figure out how to get this thing fixed without having to spend another couple $100 on a windshield repair service. So I tried one of these windshield repair kits, and I'm going to show you how it worked out and how I did it. So stick around and let's take a look at what happened. So it's a pretty good chip, and it has a 3-sided spider, so there's 3 little cracks coming off of it. So if this is left alone, I'm sure this would spread and go across the whole windshield pretty soon. So I'm going to see if I can use this Rain-X kit that I bought. I've never tried doing this, but I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot and see if it works. It seems pretty straightforward, so I'm going to set up the camera out here and just go at it, because once I start the repair, I can't really pause until I've got it done. Oh, that's cured. So I put the curing strip on there with an extra little dab, because I saw what I thought was maybe a little chip. So now it's down to scraping that excess off with a razor blade. It says, don't be afraid to scrape the resin. Well, I see one little spot. Yep. It's dang near perfect. Wow, those things really work. See how long it lasts though, like as far as months or years. Gonna let that dry. Okay, I've let the second curing strip finish up. It looks dry. Looks like I'm gonna have a little spot still, but I can live with that. Let's get a look at it, see if I can get it to show up on the camera. I can live with that. I like it. Wow. That stuff really works. I think if I had been a little better at it, I probably would have gotten it perfect, but can't really. Boy, the cracks and everything are gone. So I'm gonna let that just bake in the sun and maybe scrape it a little bit more and then call it done. Excellent. Good job, Rain-X. This wasn't very expensive. I just got it off of Amazon. So good work. Excellent. So thanks everybody for watching. It was really disappointing that this happened in the first place. You know, rock chips, like I said, they do happen, but this guy, if he hadn't been going high karate on me and trying to fly past me when he shouldn't have been, he wouldn't have been driving in there where there's a bunch of pebbles, and he wouldn't have thrown a pebble up onto the windshield. So boo on you, Mr. Speedster. And boy, I wish I had had my dash cam running at that time, but I didn't have it plugged in. So thanks for watching the video, everybody. Everybody take care, be good. And if somebody's going to speed past you on the left, watch out for rocks. Take care. Yeah, give me that! That's mine! That's my ball! Ah! You are a crazy dog. What are you doing? Oh. What you doing? His favorite place, the chair.